welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Sorry, let me just zoom out. There we go. So I'm bringing you an unboxing today. If I can get my words out, this is going to be fun. From FG Normal. So they were kind enough to send me some goodies so that I can share them with you all. So first things first, we'll go for the box that we can see. And this one is definitely going to be done by my daughter, Megan, because she loves llamas. So we have a basic toolkit, boat, a wax and pen. And then we have some gorgeous little stickers. So we have some little llama stickers and some cactus stickers. So when you peel it back, they are sticky on the top, but then you can peel off and it is actually a clear sticker. And then you can stick them wherever you want. So we've got a sheet of stickers, and then we do have, of course, some colours to go with them. And these do actually have DMC numbers. So on here we have just numbers, and then we have A and C. Oh, we have an F as well, and an E. So is that what we have on here? So let's have a look. So we have 1 through to 8. So we've got some white, red, yellow, orange, nice vibrant colours, blues, peaches, and sort of creamy colour, which will more be number 8, that llama and part of this pot. So they're all standard diamonds, but as I say, they do have DMC numbers, which is unusual for ones like these. And then we have A, C, D, E, F and H. I missed out the H. Where is the H? Be on here somewhere. Oh, it's there. It's on that llama at the top. So we have some greens, more blues, browns, and sort of a creamy colour. So that was the first thing. They are currently retailing at $3.99, I think. So I will pop links anyway down below if you are inquiring about any of the prices. Just click on the link. That will be the easiest way to find them. But yeah, I'm sure she'll have those done quicker than she's doing her confetti tree. But let's pop those all back in the box. And I do find that those stickers flatten out, even though they are folded a bit in the box. They will flatten out once they're done. And I'm sure, as I say, she'll have those done rather quick. Where's my scissors? So, what have we got next? This is the question. Because I cannot remember. I can remember some of them, but I don't know what is in each package. So, here we go. Oh, we're in. That took far longer than it should. One of my favourite themes at the moment, succulents. I do like these succulent pictures, I really do. And I know they have a lot of white, but I like them. I like them for actual decoration. I do already have one in my kitchen, and I like the idea that I can sort of mix them up a bit. So this is a square one, 30 by 30, but the actual canvas size is just under 25 by just under 25. And in fact, with that top part, you could possibly fit this in one of those IKEA ribber frames that are 23 by 23. Or you can put a little bit of mount around this and put it into a 30 by 30 frame. But I like them. And sometimes I am just in the mood to tip one colour into my tray and just go for it. We have a little bit of a posher toolkit. We do have what looks like a 4-placer on the end of that. And then we have some baggies with the boat and the wax. And then I can imagine we have a lot of white, or 3865 should I say. As I say, there are DMC numbers on the actual chart. If I can get in this. Okay, let's have a look at what colours we've got. So, there's a bucket ton of white, which is fine. And then, of course, we have some greens and some sort of grey greens. Then we have some nice pops of colour in this. So, we have your greens and then your navy. Then we have some purple. Nice pop of purple in the pot and a little bit in the flower. Greens and beige. More greens, of course. There's a lot of greens in this, which is always good for shading. And then we have some pops of pink and red as well mixed in, which of course will be in these succulents and a little bit on those there. So that's another exciting one for me to do. Say, I do like my succulent paintings at the moment. And there just seems to be so many out there that I'm like, ooh, I'll just get another one. Okay, I can't get these to go right. Let's just do zigzag. Zigzag is always easier. There we go. Oh, that wasn't so hard, was it? So, a nice succulent. Again, but I do like doing them. So there is a reason. There is a reason for it. And then the last one in this unboxing, if I can get in it. Oh, why am I struggling so much with scissors? Between scissors and words, I'm having problems today. Okay, I'm in. Oh, another one of my loves. So, this one, again, I know there's a lot of white background, but I'm liking that at the moment. Isn't he gorgeous? A little sleeping fox. This would be so nice in an animal themed nursery. And I do like to get paintings that I've always got as, you know, potentials for gifts and things like that as well. Look. He's got some really nice colours. So there is 19 colours in this one. It is another round. Sorry, the last one was round as well. But oh, just look at him. He just looks so cute. We do have a pen, boat, wax and baggies. Standard stuff. Let's have a look at the colourings in this one. So we must have quite a few shades. Whoever packed this one isn't worse at putting diamonds away than I am. Oh, in fact, they're all loose. Okay, that's a bit different. So we have some purples and some reds. And then, of course, we have these orangey type tones. Let's see if we can get those in there. So we've got orangey type tones as well as some hints of purple. This is definitely different. Okay. So, oh, we've got a little bit of black. Yep, that is black. Number 3. Oh, look. See? Might have a lot of white, but I've not got much black. A little hint of blue, which will be down here in the shading, along with some more pale purple. We have got a lot of white. So I have got 2 bags worth of 3865. We've got some grey and some nice orange. And then we've got some browns with some blue and a little bit of yellow. So what's that one? Number 17, which is K. So there's just the odd little bits of yellow up here and the odd little bits of yellow down here that will bring in the shading along with the rest. And then we've got a little pop of red as well. That one's really nice. I might have to do this one soon. And then I need to find somebody that's decorating a nursery in a sort of theme like that, because I'm really liking that one. Okay, so measurements on this one is 25 by 35. So that will get a 30 by 40 frame and of course mount, and that can be your mount. But oh, isn't he sweet? Okay, so we've got a fox, which I know, I like the foxes. Then we've got a succulent, and then we've got some fun stickers, which will be going straight to my daughter. I'll pop links to all of these down below, so of course you can have a look for yourself if there's any that take your fancy. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.